Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya U Conrad Kongkal Sangma ula Pyntip baga Jingiakren esok ke Pedeng Kesorkar Jela Kesorkar Pedeng bat ke Kenhun King Atiar Nyautrap National Liberation Council HNLC kalaya shakhmat. Bala kemilenti baga Jingiakren kan salong ke basaiso akin kisngi kibanuan. U Conrad Kongkal Sangma uloong baga degakam ke Bedang ya shakhmat bat kalong ke basuk bah amar bagi don bon kidau ki bahap ban pediang bat ke Jingiakren ru kadang don bat ya shakhmat aklenti ke badai. Ulang bayaman tahiu 4 kuat ban keren benito halor kini kejing keren esok nomor 4 la ban pen menapat ba ya berok kejing tip. Dari kejing keren kalayat ba kesorkar ke kemilenti ba kejing keren kan long ke basaiso.
The discussions are going on. In fact, a lot of communication has taken place in the last few days. I cannot share all the details right now, but the communication has picked up once again, and we expect that we would see some more positive outcomes in the coming days. But of course, as I said, it's a continuous process. It's not very simple and easy because there's so many factors which we have to consider, and therefore discussions are on and it's going in the right direction.